Welcome to AI Tools, your survival kit, where we explore the cutting-edge technologies shaping our world. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of AI and how it's creating disgustingly easy ways to get rich by 2024. Ready to unlock the secrets? Let's begin. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's transforming the way businesses operate. But how can AI make you rich? Let's unravel the mystery. Every business, whether it's an e-commerce store or a construction company, has a complex process. And within this process, there are gaps or connectors where money is lost or gained. What if you could identify these connectors and fill the gaps? That's where AI comes into play. Imagine optimizing a checkout process with AI, increasing revenue by 5%, or creating a chatbot that answers phone calls for doctors, boosting bookings by 20%. The possibilities are endless. Let's explore some real-life examples of how AI is filling the gaps in various industries. In healthcare, AI can be trained to answer phone calls, increasing efficiency and reducing lost bookings. How can this impact your local doctor's office? In e-commerce, AI can optimize ads, save on shipping costs, and enhance the customer experience. Imagine the savings and the potential for growth. Even in construction, AI can follow up with customers via email or chat. Increasing conversions and building stronger relationships. The future is now. From saving money on ads to increasing checkout rates, AI is revolutionizing the way businesses operate. And the best part? It's not as hard as you think. With the right tools and training, anyone can leverage AI to create value. What would you build if the sky was the limit? AI is not just a buzzword. It's a tool that's reshaping our world. From healthcare to e-commerce, the opportunities are boundless. Are you ready to embark on your journey with AI? Thank you for joining us on AI Tools, Your Survival Kit. If you found this exploration intriguing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of AI. And until next time, keep innovating.